Welcome to an introduction of RafterOne's RLM suite. Based on our long heritage of CPQ, subscription management, and commerce tools, we are excited to preview our headless and head-on capabilities of the new Revenue Lifecycle Management platform on Salesforce.com. Today's video will feature some of the most common use cases in the high-tech and manufacturing verticals. These use cases include subscription products, quote-to-cart, advanced pricing, and complex bundles. As your long-standing partner, we have historically provided custom demo orgs, custom demos, and technical expertise to assist you, the AEs and SEs, along the sales journey. This video today is another example of a tool that can be customized for your client and can be accessed by your client on demand, further separating Salesforce from the competition. Today's demo orgs include GearFlex and Genomics Tech. GearFlex features our headless RLM solution, subscription products, single SKUs for multiple pricing, quote-to-cart, and also features Salesforce Commerce on LWR. Genomics Tech is going to show you our head-on RLM and focus on product bundles. So let's get started today by visiting GearFlex, a manufacturing company that also offers subscription-based support with different support tiers and pricing. The RLM configuration that you see today is headless, and it can be used with any commerce site or embedded into software applications or mobile applications. The GearFlex landing page features the product carousel and messaging. As we select a product from the menu, we are directed to the product detail page with the standard product information, pricing, and specifications. As we scroll down the page, we see the related service contract and can add either the product or the service contract to the cart or go to the related service contract page. On the product detail page for the support contracts, we see 3 levels of support, starting at $9.99 for premium support, $14.99 for premium plus, and $24.99 for advanced support. But what is important to note here is what is the source of the pricing. With CPQ in the past, you would have to duplicate pricing into the B2B commerce price book. However, this pricing is coming from the headless RLM instance. Now let's take a look at how this is set up in RLM. As we switch to the RLM org, we see the product page for the support product. Now notice the single SKU SP001. On the related tab, we see that this is a monthly selling model, and in the price book entry for the base product is $9.99. When we select the attribute-based adjustment tab, we see that there are 2 attributes, one for the Premium Plus and one for the Advanced Support, that is providing a price override of $14.99 and $24.99 respectively. The important thing is that we are now allowed to have price adjustments on a single SKU, reducing the number of SKUs needed in complex pricing situations. Let's move on to RLM quoting. Here we find that our customer has added 20 generators and 20 support contracts to the cart and are wanting to request a quote for special pricing. By selecting the Request Quote button, the quote is routed through RLM to the appropriate sales rep for review and pricing consideration. When we switch to the RLM org, we see that a new quote has been created for the total price of $24,631. When we open the quote, we see the quote line items of 2, one for the generators and one for the support contracts. Also note, the support contracts do show that they are a monthly base term contract, allowing you to have a quote with mixed items. For this demo, we will give a 25% discount on the generator items and select Save to update the quote price. An additional feature of RLM is the Calculation Details pop-up box that can show all pricing adjustments based on attributes, bundles, or manual discounts like we did with the 25% override. RLM also allows for numerous variations of automated and manual approvals, but for the demo purpose, we'll go ahead and approve the quote so that we can see the new pricing in the shopping cart for the customer. Once the quote is approved, you will see that a new button is now visible for quote to cart, which is now above the status bar. This step can be automated with flows. However, we're going to manually select the quote to cart and see the revised pricing in the shopping cart for the customer to complete the purchase. Returning to the storefront as the customer, we see our updated cart with our updated pricing, and we're now able to check out using the form of payments appropriate to the commerce account. As we complete the RLM quote to cart process, it's important to note that many of the data objects used are the core data objects of Salesforce. This reduces the complexity and time of implementation for your clients. So let's take a look at our other org and let's talk about product bundling and catalogs in RLM. One of the key benefits in moving from the old Steelbrick CPQ to the new RLM platform is the great advantage in product, pricing, and cataloging that is now configurable in RLM that used to be heavy coding or just not available in Steelbrick CPQ. Now let's walk through creating an opportunity and a quote to kind of show the power of these features. Using the existing customer Blue Ocean Gene Services, we're going to create a new opportunity. Once we have the opportunity created, we can now create a custom quote for the opportunity. As we open the new quote, we're able to select the Browse Catalogs to see the different catalogs and price books available to the customer. In the older platforms, we were limited to a single price book and a single catalog. In our example here, we have a mix of catalogs of single products and an actual catalog specifically for bundles. In the bundles catalog, we have 3 different bundles designed to help customers quickly select pre-configured solutions. Let's select the standard bundle to look at the product catalog management features and pricing features of RLM. As we open the product configurator, we can see where the magic happens in RLM. As we review the bundle, we can see several different product categories that can be expanded or collapsed, allowing the salesperson to easily navigate across the bundle to configure for the client's specific needs. If we turn on the instant pricing, we can also see the effects of the selections in the bundle and the overall price of the product bundle. The ease of use of the new bundles in RLM will help reduce the amount of inaccurate quotes and inaccurate pricing given to customers, as well as with the attribute-driven products, we can reduce the number of SKUs for complex organizations. These capabilities are made possible using the new RLM APIs and configuration, which far exceeds the abilities of the Steelbrick CPQ platform and the vast customization needed to meet some of the high-tech and manufacturing vertical needs. On behalf of the entire RafterOne family, we want to thank you for having the opportunity to speak with you today regarding our new RLM suite. We look forward to working with you and your clients in the near future. Have a great day.